Hello dear parents, this is Sajit from GURUJEE. Have you heard about ISRO YUVIKA program? And I'm sure definitely not, because I couldn't see anyone would have informed this in Tamil Nadu, and this is the first time Guruji is bringing such information to the Tamil Nadu parents. All right, so understand what is this program. Watch my full video, and so that this program will be benefited to your children, and who are all going to get benefited. Okay, so ISRO has launched a program called YUVIKA in 2019, and it is continuing year on year. Okay, the eligible students, or what is this program and how you can apply and all, I'll tell one by one. Please listen and watch my full video, and who are all in need of it, kindly see to that it is reaching to them. All right. So what is this ISRO YUVIKA 2025? The YUVIKA program basically is called as the Yuva Vaigyani Karikaram, and it's a 2-week residential program launched by ISRO in 2019, as I told, and to introduce school students to space science and technology. This initiative allows selected students to visit ISRO centers, meet scientists, and gain hands-on experience in various space-related activities. For students interested in space, this is a rare chance to engage with ISRO before even reaching to college. We know that there are many students in the country or in the world who wants to work in ISRO, and for that they are supposed to select some particular studies. They need to excel in their academics, and only for their graduation they can go to IIST kind of institution. After that, few selected students is able to get into ISRO, or through selected selection criteria and academically excelled students only get a chance to work at ISRO. And it is becoming it is a dream of many students or many aspiring candidates. Am I right? So, but here what is happening? The school students are getting a chance to be at ISRO for about 2 weeks and meet the leading scientists and work with them. Exchange their ideas, interact with them, and get their knowledge, and to identify what and all is happening at ISRO, and what are the new projects, and so many things, and how this is to be happening. The program opportunity or the highlights of the programs are like this. And limited seats. Okay, national level. We know that there are ISRO, and how many ISRO I'll tell you. But it is opportunity means opportunity is given national level, and let's see, the ISRO center students will spend some 2 weeks. Okay, now I hands-on experience in workshop and so many things. All right. Now eligibility criteria open to students currently in class 9th, which means as on 2025 January, if a student is in class 9th, he or she is eligible. I repeat, as on 2025 January, if a student is studying in class 9th, he or she is eligible, which means they might be going to class 10th in April or June. Okay, so currently in class 9 student as on date January 2025, who are all in class 9th are eligible. Okay, selection based on academic curriculars and few activities. Okay, so there are some selection criteria, how to apply and all I will tell you. Watch my video completely. Now there are ISRO centers, I said. Okay, there are about total 7 centers. These centers are hosting this program. What is this, like where and all these ISRO centers are there? I'll just read out, and the list also I'll give in the video, like which are the centers are there. Detail I'll give the list of the centers, like Indian Institute of Remote Sensing, which is in Dehradun, and then Vikram Sarabhai Space Center, Satish Dhawan Space Center, and Space Application Center, which is in Ahmedabad. Then U.R. Rao Satellite Center, which is in Bangalore, the National Remote Sensing Center, which is in Hyderabad, and then Northeastern Space Application Center, which is in Meghalaya. So these are all the 7 centers this program is going to get hosted. All right. Now, key dates. What are the key dates for the applications? Registration started from February 24th onwards, and the last date for registration is going to be March 23rd. Okay. Selection list and announcement, which means what is this selection list? Of course, we can expect like 1 lakh or 2 lakhs are applying, but only 350 students. As per 2024, only 350 students are being selected and given this opportunity based on certain parameters, which I will tell you. So this 350 students selection list is expected to come on April 7th. And which means those selected students are supposed to report at ISRO Centres on May 18th, and program duration is May 19th to May 30th, which means 2025 May 19th to May 30th is the program, and it's a fully residential program, and departure is May 31st. All students will be departure from there. Now, registration process. What are the registration process? Students will register via their email on the YUVIKA portal. Okay, YUVIKA portal, students should register through their email. Completing that email registration within 48 hours, they need to take an online quiz from YUVIKA portal. Okay, after completion of this quiz, okay, wait for 60 minutes and then start the application process again. So I said first applying through email. After email application, before 48 hours, they need to write an online quiz from YUVIKA portal. After writing and submitting this quiz online, they need to wait for 1 hour, and after 1 hour the registration process continues. All right, you need to continue, and after completion of the registration process, you need to download the application form and keep it with you. Now, there are some selection criteria. As I told you, of course, not everybody get the chances. It is rare and rare chances. Only the brightest or such students gets it. So, but why don't we try, right? You know, every children are unique and they have knowledge and skills. So definitely everyone should try this. The selection criteria goes like this. Okay, mark in class 8 exams. Okay, 50% weightage goes to a student's marks in class 8. The next 10% goes to performance in online quiz, and the next is if a student would have done any Olympiad examination. I have been always telling Guruji students to participate in SOF, IMO and pre-regional max Olympiad, NSCJS and all. It is not like, you know, they're just coming and writing only the foundation classes and it is, you know, they are excelling in schools. But we were always in Guruji, we were telling them to write all the Olympiad examination which is coming in front of them, and we used to help them. So you'll see this here, a student's performance in Olympiad examination is given 2 to 5%, and winners of sports competitions which is given another 2 to 5%. Then participation in science fairs. If a student would have participated in school level, district level, national level, any science fairs, that has been given 2 to 10%. And scout or NCC. Okay, if a student would have participated school level, that means school level and district level, national level, state level, all another 5% is given. Then the last opportunity, if a student is from a rural area or a panchayat area, the student get a direct 15% reservation, which means we can understand why this has been done for them, because rural compared to urban, less chances of meeting the requisites. Am I right? So we all know that. So these are all the criterias, and of course what will happen to the expenses and the traveling cost. Believe me, ISRO is going to pay you your train tickets up to second class AC or bus tickets in AC bus from the nearest railway station or bus station to the ISRO center, and from there to return. And all these 10 days your accommodation and food, all the facilities are being provided by ISRO. Okay, so please understand and what is the importance of this. Let us do a try, and if you need any supports in applications, reach to us, we'll try to help you. Okay, so this is what we need to see such opportunity. What a great opportunity for our children is going to get from YUVIKA 2025 launched by ISRO. Am I right? So utilize this opportunity, and I'll be giving all the details, snapshots of few details, registration process, etc. in the video. Or given because when I'm recording it, I'm yet to give, so I'll be giving it, and you can go through this details and get back to us. Okay, so thank you so much. Make use of such opportunities which comes once in lifetime, and I am sure none of the parents and students are not aware of this in Tamil Nadu. And so try to make this information reaching to them, and Guruji take the privilege and honor to inform this information to all the parents and students of our Tamil Nadu, or if they are from any part of our country. If they are not aware of it, please make use of it and reach to us for any such informations in future. Please like our video and share to the maximum. Thank you so much. Sajid from Guruji.